case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2012, Lori Wigod found herself at odds with banking giant Wells Fargo after she was denied a loan modification under the Federal Home Affordable Mortgage Program. The case, known as Wigod v. Wells Fargo, set a new precedent for consumer rights and put a spotlight on the questionable practices of financial institutions. The legal battle started when Wigod filed a class action complaint against Wells Fargo. The bank had denied her a permanent loan modification, sparking allegations of breach of contract, promissory estoppel, fraudulent misrepresentation, and violation of the Illinois Consumer Fraud and Deceptive Business Practices Act, ICFA. Initially, the district court dismissed certain claims Wigod filed. Unexpectedly, the court sided with the plaintiff in expressing that if she met the conditions of the Trial Period Plan, TPP, Wells Fargo was under the obligation to provide her with a permanent modification. Interestingly, this decision was drawn from Illinois consumer protection law, not from federal regulations. While the lower court validated Wigod's grievances on breach of contract and contention of fraudulent misrepresentation, it dismissed her claims of negligent hiring and supervision at the bank. It also rejected the idea that Wells Fargo established any special trust relationship with her, thus dismissing her claim of negligent misrepresentation. In a surprising turn of events, the appellate court overturned the district court's dismissal of Wigod's ICFA claim against Wells Fargo. The higher court stipulated that the consumer's claims were plausible under state law, including her grievances regarding breach of contract, fraudulent misrepresentation, and violation of ICFA. The appeals court held forth on the notion that following the federal program should be sufficient for financial organizations to avoid state law liability. However, it also acknowledged that Congress did not intend to impede lawsuits against servicers who violated state laws that echoed the obligations defined in a federal program. Ultimately, the case was remanded to the lower court to pursue the remaining claims, establishing a precedent for future state and federal law interactions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.